Morning students, in the previous video we have completed chapter number 2 from your English practice book. Today we are going to start chapter number 11 from your English literature. The case of copied question papers. Based on story by Arthur Conan Doyle. So student, before beginning with the chapter we have some pre-reading task. If you find a rough copy of the question paper that you are going to take the next day, will you? अगर आपको एक रफ कॉपी मिल जाए टीचर के बनाए हुए पेपर की नेक्स्ट डे आपके एग्जाम में, व्हाट विल यू डू? टीचर को इन्फॉर्म करोगे, इन्फॉर्म अदर स्टूडेंट्स अबाउट द क्वेश्चंस, नॉट डिस्क्लोज इट एनीवन बट लर्न ऑल द आंसर्स बाय योरसेल्फ. What will you do? Okay, if you see that your partner is copying the answers from his notebook while taking an examination, will you? अब क्या करोगे? आपके पार्टनर को देख लिया आपने, ask for his help in doing your paper also, urge him not to do so, not bother yourself, inform the invigilator. If you have committed a very serious mistake, will you? अब सीरियस मिस्टेक कर दिया आपने, फिर क्या करोगे? ट्राई टू हाइड योर मिस्टेक, कन्फेस इट बोल्डली, नॉट बी कंसर्न्ड अबाउट इट. कोई फ़र्क ही नहीं पड़ेगा या तो आपको इससे. ठीक है, तो देखते हैं आप क्या करोगे. अपने आंसर्स को आप टिक करोगे. ओके, नाउ रीड द प्ले. योर टीचर विल असाइन योर रोल्स टू परफॉर्म द प्ले. अब स्टूडेंट्स, हमने एक प्ले पहले भी पढ़ा था, ठीक है. ओके, इसमें भी क्या है, कैरेक्टर्स हैं, उनके डायलॉग्स हैं. It was in the year 1895. We were residing close to a library to make some researches in early English charters. So students, it is a story of 1895. So people, these researchers, they were living near the library of English charters. One evening we received a visit from a person whom we knew. So one day a person came to us, and that person we knew him. Hilton Soames. He was a tall man of a nervous and excitable temperament. So he was Hilton Soames. It was clear that he was extremely agitated over something. So students, means he was worried about something. Soames, Hilton Soames. Mr. Holmes, can you spare me a few hours of your valuable time? We have had a very painful incident in college. So Hilton Soames, he was requesting to Mr. Holmes that will you please give your few hours to me, because we have some serious incident at the college. Mr. Holmes, oh really? Soames, I must explain to you, Mr. Holmes, tomorrow is the first day of the examination for scholarship. So Mr. Soames said, yes, I want to explain that to you, Mr. Holmes. Tomorrow is the first day हमारे कॉलेज में स्कॉलरशिप का एग्ज़ाम होने वाला है. Today these three are sitting here. Today about 3 o'clock, the proofs of this paper arrived from the printers. So he told that 3 o'clock papers हमारे पास आ गए printers से. I had to read them carefully as the next text must be absolutely correct. So I read them very carefully. At 4:30, however, I left to take tea in the friend's room. My task was not yet complete. So students, he said, I was reading those papers, but I went somewhere to have tea with my friends. So papers were there on the table. I was absent for more than an hour. When I returned, I was amazed to see a key hanging in the door. That this duplicate tea belonged to my servant barrister. He is an honest man. I thought he might have entered my room to ask for tea. Then he might have carelessly left the key in the door. So he said that I was shocked that there was a key in the door and I had a duplicate key. My servant had a duplicate key with him, but he is an honest man. So I thought कि वो आया, उसने मुझसे ना चाय पूछने के लिए आया होगा. Then Holmes said, please continue. Soames, the moment I looked at my table, I was aware that someone had reached my papers. The proofs were in 3 long slips. I had kept them together. Now I found that one of them was lying on the floor, one was on the side table near the window, and third was where I had left it. So students, Soames, he told to Mr. Holmes that I was aware कि किसी ने मेरे पेपर्स को छेड़ा है. ओके, सारे के सारे पेपर्स आई हैव पुट ऑन द टेबल, बट अब क्या है, एक नीचे गिरा हुआ था, एक साइड टेबल पे था और एक वहीं पे था. Holmes said, very interesting. A large sum of scholarship money is at stake. Means अब ये वो कहता कि भाई स्कॉलरशिप की मनी का सवाल है. अब इतनी बड़ी मनी है, किसी ऐसे को तो नहीं मिलनी चाहिए जिसने पेपर्स ही नहीं पढ़े हैं, पेपर में पढ़ाई नहीं की और नकल कर ली. अ रॉन्ग मैन माइट गेन एडवांटेज ओवर अदर फेलोज, सो रॉन्ग मैन को मिल सकती है. When I talked to Bannister about this, he nearly fainted and collapsed in a chair. Then जब मैंने बेनिस्टर से बात की अपने सर्वेंट से, तो उसको तो चक्कर ही आ गया सुन के. डू हेल्प मी मिस्टर होम्स, ईदर आई मस्ट फाइंड द कल्प्रिट और एग्जामिनेशन मस्ट बी पोस्टपोन. तो वो कहता कि या तो मुझे ढूंढना पड़ेगा किसने पेपर्स पढ़ लिए और किसने, या फिर एग्ज़ाम मुझे पोस्टपोन करने पड़ेंगे. Holmes, I shall be happy to help you. Did anyone visit you in your room when you were reading the papers? Then he asked one question from Mr. Soames. So students, up to here only we will study today. In the next video we will continue with the topic.